Bynñiaw yakura kabalatip kumka first state level kickboxing championship R1000 kalapoi no shakabakut nin kasngi ka khatlai tregun nailur R1000 kani ka Bynñiaw yakura la penlong ars ngilenter kata haka khatar bat ka khatlai tregun nailur R1000 haka babaro ki district jongga Jylla Meghalaya kilawan bane simenta bat la sakhiru shipungut kirang bagite yakura ki badon sap hakane ka kam yakura kickboxing ya kane ka Bynñiaw la penlong da ka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association hapo ka jing penyai dauba Samuel Hasha ubadai urang yakura kickboxing ubala shongthai bat ubabat kumu president jong ka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association bat kabala yoru ka jing itu na ka Indian Kickboxing Association haba ai jingkren hagane ka sngi uba Samuel Hasha ula ai khuble ya baro kibala no senyang ban penurlong ya kane ka lempung na ka banta ki khonsam la ki badon sap hakane ka kam sports kickboxing Henry ula pen pauru ka jing sngi Bynñiaw halor ka jing bom wan poi ukongsan ubaderu Myntri ka kam AMKA sports ka Jylla ubom shim la poi hakane ka sngi kumba ula kular ha kane ka sngi ka East Khasi Hills district kalara ya ka namla du ha ka Bynñiaw bun ki medals bat lawan ba arpat da ka Riboy district
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for his generous contribution and helping our All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. With his help and contribution, our kickboxing championship is a very successful. And I take this opportunity to give our CM a big thanks one more time. I have to mention a special thanks for our Honorable MLA Myntri for his contribution to All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. Thank you so much, sir. Myntri. God will bless you and bless your good work. And at this time, I request all of you, yes, he is not here with us, and I want you all to request to give a big hand for our MLA Myntri for his generous contribution and helping our All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. And I give a thanks to our State Secretary of Bharat Scout and Guide to give us this place to organize this level kickboxing championship. And I want to tell you, you have seen here a poster, and a big poster of our Honorable Sport Minister Shakler Warjiri. But I am very sad to say that he is not here with us. He is not here with us, and I try to wait for his secretary or anyone to come today in this closing ceremony. But sadly, no one is coming to attend at this closing ceremony of All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. I'm very sad to say this, but I hopefully next time, I hope that he will be here with us and he will be support us. And though he is not here, I give him a special thanks for whatever he has cooperated with us. Thank you so much, sir. Shakler Warjiri, if you are not here also. And I give a special thanks not other than Master Chorus Marwin. He helped us a lot. Without him, this championship will be empty. Why I said? Because he bring us this ring, a new ring. So thank you so much, Master Chorus Marwin, for your generous, for your kind, you're helping us. Please give a big hand for Chorus Marwin, all of you.
And I'm glad indeed to stand in front of you, especially at the closing ceremony of this competition. At this juncture, I express my hearty congratulations to the All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association especially Bak Samwell Hasha, who has put his efforts, who has dedicated wholeheartedly to bring up this competition in a very successful manner. I express my heartfelt thanks to them for their cooperation and to bring this state level kickboxing this year, which is ever happened in our state. So let us put our hands together to express our thankfulness and congratulations to the association. Kindly give a big clap. Secondly, I would like to congratulate each one of you as the participants who have come to this venue to participate and to show your skills, your talents in the field of kickboxing. All the students have brought forward your skills and talents and your hard work, your spirit of competition make this day a very successful one, a very colorful one. Congratulations to all the students, all the participants who came from far and near to this venue, to this place, to have this competition a very successful one. Indeed, this competition helped each one of us to grow in a good relationship with each other and especially to build up our good characters and promote moral values. So I thank each one of you and I would like to appreciate and encourage each one of you to go forward in this field so that you will be successful and you will build up a bright future in the coming years. And we hope that this first kickboxing in state level will have every year. We encourage and appreciate the organizers to organize in the coming year so that the students can participate and they will feel happy and especially they will grow in promoting their talents. Sang mo yaw play, nakamanta ba play ulari la smart screen ni hagane kasni ulai ngi kijing kundi do ulai ngi kabor kasor kajing than kamet kabakot bakhe. But minang edwai nang ba ngin sala ban lepha ban ngin sala ye trelang ha kane kabanta kuble shibun kuble shajarmu.
Move. Now. What I space, good. What I space. Utilize knee. Utilize your knee. Switch. Yeah. Knee. Good. Same. Liver shot. Liver shot. Switch to the liver. Yeah. Knee. Good. You're winning. Good. Now chop the tree. Chop the tree around the head. Chop down the tree. Yeah. Knee. Go.
The winner is red corner.
जब có say sẽ gạt ba này chui vô này ball cả
What do you think? Dab, move no. Dab, circle to the left, circle to the right. Yeah.
yeah come on come on come on
What station? What station?
come on do
Slap to the head.
slap come on I know
Good. Yay.
yes
Yay.
yes
Move.
move circle yeah yes nice woohoo liver but touch
Yeah.
yes
I back kick.
I back kick
Circle chưa? I kick now to do.
Not good. Lại job. Like teacher neng. Yeah. What's teacher? Yes. Yes, nice. I bet. Yes, nice. Good. Yes, nice. Nakpo. Yes. Dung bit.
Rest. What brawl ka to?
What ball ka?
Do create ka space but kicks it. Liver. Come on.
The liver, come on.
Yeah.
Concentrate, come on. Move.
Liver.
Come on, yeah.
Liver. Do.
Liver, come on.
Yeah.
Yes, nice.
Follow.
Follow eye. Yes, nice. What you paid in?
What you fight in to? Circle se. What you fight in?
Circle sa.
Upstairs.
Nakli, yeah.
Upstairs. Do. Busy ke job. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Busy ke job.
Yeah. Busy ke job.
Busy ke job. Follow upstairs. Yeah.
Yes, nice.
Yeah.
Yes, nice. Move.
Circle.